Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to utilize weapon camouflage for better concealment in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Environment matching. Choose camos that blend with the environment when you're fighting. Seasonal adjustments. Rotate camouflage based on the map's seasonal changes for optimal blending. Shadow utilization. Use dark camouflage to blend into shadow and darker areas of the map. Lighting adaptation. Opt for camouflage that match the predominant lighting condition. Urban warfare. Select camouflage with urban patterns for city and buildings heavy maps. Rural tactics. Use earth-toned camouflage for rural and forested areas. Snowy settings. Equip white or snow-patterned camouflage for snowy landscapes. Desert warfare. Choose sandy or desert-themed camouflage for desert maps. Vehicle concealment. Apply camouflage to vehicles to reduce visibility when on the move. Customization variety. Utilize different camouflage for different loadouts depending on the map and playstyle. Minimalist approach. Consider using simpler, less flashy camouflage to avoid drawing unnecessary attention. Team coordination. Coordinate camouflage with your squad mates to blend together visually. Tactical changes. Switch camouflage periodically to adapt to changing map locations and objectives. Ambush readiness. Use camouflage that match popular ambush locations to remain unnoticed. Objective-based switching. Change camouflage based on the current objective. It either defending or attacking. Map familiarity. Study map to predict optimal camouflage choices for specific areas. And that's how to utilize weapon camouflage for better concealment in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.